everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products on my TikTok feed and even now on my YouTube. And you guys will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Now, just keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Just wanted to remind you to give this video a thumbs up. Now let's talk about the products. First product up is It's a 10 Blow Dry Miracle Split End Mender. This bottle is 6 ounces and can be purchased at, of course, its10haircare.com. Also can be found at Planet Beauty if you have one of those stores around, or maybe even check there online. And then last but not least, of course, you can find them at pro stores because I believe that's what they're aiming for, are the pros.
So, pros only stores.
Price of it is $24. There isn't really an expiration date on it, but I would say to use it at least before the 12 months. Otherwise, the ingredients get kind of weird. And the best of all, it is cruelty-free. Oh yeah. Split End Mender is great for prepping the hair before any styling, basically making it into a heat protectant. It should smooth and even give the best shine to your hair. It is a lightweight formula that coats and seals the hair shaft, especially damaged and split ends. So I did notice online that it says it is a UV protected. It doesn't really say here on the bottle, but I'm sure it is. And of course, it should also help you keep in the moisture and protect you from frizz or tangles, which is pretty good. It is great for all hair types and it will especially strengthen it. Yeah, that's what you want, right?
Yeah.
So the smell of it is a fragrance, basically perfume. So you could smell it right away. Like, you don't even have to spray it that hard. The flowery, perfumey smell. It's really like one of those perfumes you smell at Sephora when you walk around. Yeah, very nice. It has hydrofluorocarbon, Panax ginseng root extract. It also has Aleritis malucana seed oil. And it has hydrolyzed vegetable protein, PG propyl cilantro. Okay, so now I'm going to use it on this side of my hair right here, this one. Of course, you can use it on wet, damp, towel-dried hair, or you can choose to use it on dry hair. So this cap, it actually is closed right now. You twist it and it'll click open and you can see the little nozzle. And twist it back to close again. It's pretty cool. Okay, so what you want to do is go ahead and spray it. Mainly focus mid shaft and then especially the ends. Focus on the ends. Like that. Or you can spray in your hand. Needs to be like a quarter-sized amount. Go ahead like this, which is what I like to do. And then focus down here if you want to spray a little more. Bam, go ahead, and there you go. Very nice.
Oh, so pretty.
Now it does feel like it may get a little too oily, so you want to be very careful when you're spraying it. Don't overspray it. It's very shiny now. I don't know if you guys could all see that. Ooh, yes. Look at that shine.
Very nice.
Oh yeah! Dry, frizzy, shine. Now when you're finished using this on towel dried hair, go ahead and style it any way you want it. Straighten it, curl it, go ahead, whatever you want. If you're doing it on dry hair and you just want to focus mainly on the ends and not put anything on your mid shaft, that's okay also. What you want to do for that is, of course, as I showed you, same way, put on your fingertips. Mainly, I would say like do this, kind of stroke the ends, make sure it gets it all nice and in there. You could twist it like this, then twist it the other way, just as long as the product focuses on the damaged ends and coats it and basically seals it. La-di-da.
And then that's a very quick style fix for you right there.
Next one up is Schwarzkopf Professional BC or Boncure Peptide Repair Rescue. Wow. Sealed ends. Says that right here. Sealed ends. Can you see? This one I have here is 2.5 ounces. I do believe they also have a 5-ounce one. Can only be purchased at pro stores Honestly, I've only seen this one in pro stores. But if you do find the other one, the prices from this size to the 5-ounce size is, I would say the lowest is $9 and the highest is around $16. And of course, I just want to mention, you can find both products on Amazon, but it's through a different seller. So just be warned, I should say.
Enter at your own risk.
Can be used for at least 12 months, and of course it is just recyclable. That's it. An intensive cream for your ends to prevent splitting and seal. It is a lightweight cream that covers each hair strand from mid to ends in a gentle cocoon. It has repair rescue technology that is a deep restoration for all hair types.
Yeah, very nice.
It will nourish porous hair and prevent it from any breakage, and of course help tame the frizz and help control your uncontrollable hair, basically. The results of this should leave your hair feeling soft, smooth, and shiny.
Magic.
It has cyclomethicone, hydrolyzed keratin, hexacycline glycol, phenoxyethanol, panthenol, and fragrance perfume. Yes, just the regular cap squeeze. Smells like flowers. Again, something sold at Sephora, basically. Besides the cyclomethicone, another lightweight silicone oil in it is amodimethicone. So this one's very simple. You just want to go ahead and pour it on your fingertips. Ooh. By the way, yes, I have blue all over my fingers because of my hair. Usually you want to do this one on towel dry hair only. It doesn't really recommend using it on dry hair. Honestly, the instructions just say work into hair and leave in. So we're going to work it in the hair. Focus from mid-length to ends. And then that's pretty much it. My fingertips on this one very well. Just work it in there. It really actually, for my hair being dry, it did its thing. It made it nice and shiny as well. Ooh. Did pretty good. I don't think I would mind using this on my dry hair. It looks fine.
Yeah, it seems fine.
But of course, usually if you want the product to work at its best, you always want to follow its instructions precisely. This is not that bad. And it smells nice. Okay, and that's it. Now we're going to go to the results. Yay. Okay. Okay, and here we go, the results. Today we only have YouTube results. Nobody voted on the TikTok one again, even though it got like over 200 views, but that's okay. Here we go. Boom! 50-50! Woohoo! Both of them won. Both of them are the winners. Yay! Congratulations, Schwarzkopf. Congratulations to the 10. You are the winners. You worked out my sealed ends pretty good. I am liking it. I believe my hair looks more shinier now. Looks good. They both actually kind of have a very similar smell. So I don't see, yeah. Both flowery. Both very perfume-like. Now I want to hear from you, which one you voted for, which one was your favorite, and I will feature you in next week's video. Woo! Go ahead, comment below down here, and then you might see your name down here next week. Wouldn't that be nice? Today we have 2 features. The first one goes to Makeup Dyed Bed, and she's commenting about the picture, the poll picture that I had for YouTube, the screenshot one. She says, never heard of the first one, definitely the second one. So the second one would be, of course, Dior, which is the one that won. Everybody really liked the Dior one. And yes, not too many people knew the other one. And then we have Ali NYC. She mentions that she had 2 Dior products before. And she says, not surprised Dior won. They do make great lip products. Great review here. Thank you. Just want to mention, if you guys haven't seen that video yet, go ahead, click, 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 and take a look at that. They'll be right here somewhere, probably on the top, or you could just go through my playlist, which is full of reviews, and you guys can watch those. That would be nice. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for voting. Yes, I will see you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Bye.